Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to assemble the Rice Krispie treats wrap. And I said I was going to make a video for the chip bag with the window, but I don't have any big size Ziploc bag. So I'm going to just show y'all how to do the snack wrap one. It's the same concept, so. Alright, so I'm going to take my tape runner and then I'm going to run it across the side. Oh, hold on. I'm going to run it across this side because this is the back. So it's going to go like this. And I don't put my tape on the edge completely because I'm going to use my scissors to cut. And it's hard when you're cutting tape. So I take it a little bit away from the edge. And just place the Rice Krispie. And you just close. And then I just cut my edges. And then I crimp it. I don't open my crimper up like it tells you to do. I'm lazy. And that's how the edge looks. Now to the bag. So once you cut out your hole, I use my X-Acto knife. Yeah, have your bag. And your tape runner. And you want to put tape like around the hole, whatever adhesive you use. A line down the middle to hold the bag in. Hold on. You just place your bag in the inside, like that. And you can open it up. Put your items in there. I'm going to put these items in there. And then you just glue it the same way you did your Rice Krispie treat. You can fill it up with more, but there you go. You can cut it and crimp it also.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop.